prefix, PC, or IP address is not accessible, you might not permission to use this network resource. So if you want to fix this problem, then what you need to do is you just need to simply go with the search, which is on bottom left. Go with the search and then search for control panel and open up your control panel and then go with user accounts. And here you need to go with the upper left and then click on manage your credentials and then go with Windows credentials and go with add a Windows credential. And here you need to enter the internet or network address. So for example, I'll be entering the address. You can go with your address and then go with the username, enter your administrative username, and then enter your password and then click on OK. And that's it, your problem will be fixed. So that's how you can fix your IP address not available. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.